everyone, so for today's video I have a tutorial. Well, not really a tutorial because I'm trying to learn this as I go. I am not a nail artist, but I have a few ideas that will make your nail game a little bit better. Most of these designs are gonna be from Harley Quinn's costumes from the Birds of Prey. So if you guys want to see all of these easy nail tutorials, then keep on watching. So I'm first starting with clean fingernails. I have all my fingers filed and shaped, and the first step is to apply a base coat. Now this is optional, but if you don't want to have stain on your nails, then apply a base coat or any clear nail polish. Now that all of that is done, you may add your base nail polish color. So for two of my nails, I am putting on black nail polish, and I don't even have a regular black nail polish. So what I did was I took a cap of a regular nail polish into this fine tip nail polish. You gotta work with what you got because it's hard to go out these days, especially because there's a virus. And then white. Yellow. And a baby pink, but this one is actually a little light for me, so I'm gonna be changing it. I'm gonna be starting with the pink nail. I am using a gel polish in that one, so it's completely dry and it's very easy to work with. Using this hot pink nail polish, I am just making a heart using this dotting tool that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I am making 2 dots and then just connecting, and then make the V shape to add that point of the heart, and then just fill it in. And just repeat the steps for the next one. This is inspired by her onesie when she was crying. This next one is very easy and is my favorite out of all of these nail designs that I'm doing. I got these nail stickers from Amazon. It was about $5, and I got a set of these fire stickers. These are very pretty. They're very holographic. You cannot really tell on camera, but in person, this color that I chose, it reflects blue in some lighting, and most of the time it is red. This design is from her roller derby costume. It has that flame on the side. All you gotta do is peel it and then put it on your nail, and that's it. It may look like it has some air bubbles, which I try to get rid of, but you really don't need to do anything because when you put the top coat over it, it's gonna look super clean and neat. This next one is gonna be like a confetti nail polish, which she also has in the movie, but hers kind of look more like polka dots. But since we're gonna do the easier way, I'm gonna put this confetti looking nail polish. Okay, so these last two nail design is going to be inspired from her roller derby outfit again. For the first one, I'm cutting a bunch of strips of tape. Make it super thin so that you can fit a lot of it. Kinda like her helmet, she has all those caution tape everywhere, and you can place the strips everywhere you want to on that yellow nail. And paint your nails black. These strips of tape is going to be like a stencil, so it'll have cleaner lines. I messed up on this one. As you can see, your nail polish underneath has to be completely dry before putting this on. So let us try that again. Now I'm trying to draw it on, making straight lines, but that didn't turn out so good either. I really wanted to have clean lines, so I had to do it all over again. I didn't show on camera what I did for the next one, but I'll just explain it to you. So what I did for my next application, starting from the yellow polish again, I just applied a fast drying top coat, or in my case I applied a gel polish because it's completely dry once you put it under the UV light. And then I also repeated the tape method, and it actually worked for the third time. Finally, the last nail, I have these star studs, which I'm just gonna be applying on my pinky. And I have this gummy jelly, which I just saw on one of the YouTubers that does nails. And this is supposed to be the glue for the nail gems. I'm just spreading it evenly, dotting it on my nails, and then I'll stick it later. This won't dry unless I cure it under the UV lamp. And now I'm applying some top coat to make the nails last longer. Also, I applied on the star nail, except I didn't apply on the stars. I just applied it on the side of the stars. And that was it. Those are the 5 nail designs. Which is your favorite? Mine is definitely the one with the flame because it's very easy. Tag me if you recreate any of these. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!